A partnership to enable Kenyans living abroad to make instant transfers home, while Remit users can now make instant bank deposits to NBK accounts held in both Kenyan shillings and US dollars, as well as send funds for cash pickup in Kenyan shillings across NBK's extensive branch network. NBK is one of the commercial banks in the country to meet the dynamic needs of its customers, and NBK rolled out diaspora banking in 2016 to let customers bank in multiple currencies and create a financial base back home. According to the Central Bank of Kenya, Kenyans living abroad sent home over 177.34 billion shillings, or approximately 1.7 billion US dollars in 2006, up from 159.82 billion in 2015, an 11% year-on-year increase. This makes diaspora remittances Kenya's largest source of foreign exchange, ahead of key industries such as tea and horticulture. Since the start of operations in Kenya, while Remit customers have completed almost 2 million money transfers to the country, they now send more than 80,000 transactions every month from the World Remit app and website. The latest we have for you from the business world. Of course, more stories continue to develop. We've seen some interesting results from Barclays Bank and Stanbic Bank. And Akisa, still a sense of uncertainty rocking many parts of the country, even as Kenyans continue to take on a wait-and-see approach. I don't know if some of your neighbors boycotted going to work, Akisa.
No, I didn't see much of that, Abby, but today morning something very interesting happened. I was actually caught in a traffic